going to fly some combat here. It's definitely, all right, compared to the other sims, right? UFDS is very realistic when it comes to flight dynamics and everything. Firehawk is extremely fun. Velocidrone is, I have not seen in the small amount of time I've been flying a whole lot of people playing combat servers. This one is definitely the most basic. And these helos just kind of take off. And let's go for this guy. There's no, auto lock feature or anything like that. Power loop and end it. Perfect.